Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am going to be doing another cleaning video for you. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment down below and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. I post every single week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So on this day, I'm actually starting off in my bedroom, which is a little different than normal. I am just putting up some clothes, and then I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down in here. Moving on into the bathroom, I'm just gonna get these hangers out of here and then start to clear off the counter. I usually get dressed in here in the mornings, and so I hang up all of my clothes where all those hangers are, and then I let them pile up, and then I end up having to get them all out later. So I just wanted to show you my hairbrush. It always looks like this. Does anybody else have that problem? moving into the little laundry room I have in here and just gonna go ahead and switch out the laundry, and I am gonna go ahead and wash the comforter that you normally see on my bed. This is the one I use the most often on there because I feel like it matches the room. The one I've got on there right now it's like purple, and I got it back whenever I was obsessed with Twilight, and I thought it looked like the one in Bella's room. It was the closest I could find, and I used to think it was really cool, so I still have it as a backup comforter when I wash this one, but the one I just put in the washer is the one that I use all the time. But now I am just going to fold these clothes in here and then put those up. on to the kitchen. I'm just starting off by clearing off the counter. It's really not as bad as it looks. Well, it is kind of bad, but it's mostly just water bottles and cans and plastic bags because I had went grocery shopping. So it looks like a lot, but it's really not as bad as it normally is. Alright, so whenever I was switching out the trash, I noticed that the trash can lid desperately needed to be wiped down. So I am going to go ahead and do this. Here pretty soon, I'm going to have a kitchen deep clean with me part 2 because there are some other areas in the kitchen that don't get cleaned often enough that I would like to go back in and do. And so the trash can is one of those. I would like to clean out the inside of it and just every bit of it soon. So that will be coming in the near future. So this bath mat, it used to actually be in my bathroom before I redecorated it, and I moved it in here. But honestly, black bath mats, it's just not a good fit, really, honestly, because I have 2 dogs and they just, one of them sheds super bad, and so the black shows everything. Even this one back here by the door doesn't show as bad, I guess just because of the material that it is, and it's a lot easier to vacuum up. But the bath mat is just very hard to get clean, so I'm probably going to be moving that out soon. But now I am moving on into the living room, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick up a few things in here. I had planned on wiping everything down, but honestly on this day I was so exhausted by the time that I moved on to the living room that I just went ahead and straightened everything up, tried to pick up what I could, but I did not get to wiping everything down today. Alright, so that is it for this clean with me. If you did like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much again for watching.